What if I told you most people stay broke not because they earn too little, but because they don't know where their money goes? There's one simple money rule that helps people save, spend, and enjoy life without feeling broke. It's called the 50-30-20 rule, and it might completely change your finances. Most Americans get paid, then suddenly the money disappears. Bills, shopping, food delivery, subscriptions, and at the end of the month, almost nothing is left. That's exactly why the 50-30-20 rule became so popular, because it gives your money a simple plan. The rule is simple. Every paycheck gets divided into three parts: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings and investing. That's it. No complicated math, no finance degree needed. Let's say you make $4,000 a month after taxes. Here's how it works. 50% equals needs, $2,000. These are things you must pay for: rent, car payment, groceries, bills, gas insurance. These are survival expenses, not luxury, not entertainment, just necessities. Now comes the fun part. 30% equals wants, $1,200. This is money for enjoying life. Eating out, games, shopping trips, new gadgets, Starbucks. Here's the important part. Most people spend way more than 30% on wants. And that's why they stay broke. They confuse wants with needs. A new iPhone every year, that's usually a want. Designer clothes, want. Daily food delivery, also a want. Now the part that changes your future, 20% equals saving and investing, $800. This money is for emergency fund investing, retirement, paying off debt. This is the money that builds freedom. Most people spend first and save whatever is left, but rich people do the opposite. They save first. Even small investing over time can become huge because of compound growth. That's how money slowly starts working for you. The reason this rule works is because it creates balance. You're not forced to stop enjoying life. You can still go out, buy things you enjoy, have fun, but you also protect your future. Most people fail financially because they never control their spending. The 50-30-20 rule gives every dollar a job. And once you control your money, your stress starts going down too. Remember, financial freedom doesn't happen overnight. It starts with small, smart habits. The 50-30-20 rule is simple. But simple habits repeated for years can completely change your life. Start managing your money before your money manages you. Subscribe for more money and mindset videos. Comment 50-30-20 if you're starting today.